The best secret to effectively treat acne with lemon. How to use lemon juice to reduce acne and clear its scars. In this video you will learn that using lemon juice to eliminate pimples is a simple and natural way to treat your skin, while being a totally safe remedy that can only rarely cause side effects. While there are certainly other ways to treat acne, none of them are as easy to use or as cheap as lemon juice. The latter contains ascorbic acid, a natural astringent that dries out acne, as well as components that fight the bacteria that cause acne. Lemon juice can be incredibly effective if used properly, but you should take precautions not to aggravate the lesions and prevent hypersensitivity and sun damage. 1. Wash or exfoliate your face. Thus, you will remove sebum, dust and sweat. Many people use lemon juice and let it act at night by incorporating it into their evening skin cleansing habits. Try to apply it soon after your morning grooming, if you do not want to leave the lemon juice at night. Make sure your face is perfectly dry and hydrated before putting it on. 2. Take a cotton swab or a cotton ball. Dip the cotton swab in a stream of lemon juice freshly squeezed. Soak the cotton swab or cotton ball for a few seconds in the juice to get a good amount. 3. Dab the acne pimples or scars with the cotton swab. You should feel a slight tingling on the skin, but that should not be painful. Dip the cotton swab in the lemon juice, if necessary. Target only problem areas. 4. Place a cellophane film on your face. After impregnating it with lemon juice, cover it with a film of cellophane, and leave on for half an hour to a whole night before rinsing. The period of time you let lemon juice work will depend on two things, depending on whether you are targeting pimples or acne scars and how sensitive your skin is. Scars or acne. If you are only looking for acne scars, you have more leeway, because you use lemon juice to lighten the skin and not to treat acne. In this case, you can allow the juice to rest for several hours or even overnight. If you are treating acne, try letting the juice work for a shorter time. Is the skin sensitive or not? People with very sensitive skin will have a harder time letting lemon juice work over a longer period of time. If your skin is hypersensitive, blushing easily or reacting very badly in general, take a first 2 hours of exposure before trying longer periods. 5. Wash your face to remove excess lemon juice. Apply lemon juice every 2 to 3 days for several weeks to get the best results. See a dermatologist or opt for other fast and natural treatments for acne, if lemon juice is ineffective. Lemon seems to be effective on acne pimples because the lemon itself is acidic, and its application may be able to compensate for the loss of acidity that the skin can undergo as a result of chemical pollution to which the skin is generally subjected. In addition, the lemon normalizes the pH in this way. To learn more about other ways to treat acne, please click the link below this video. We really hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you will not miss our next videos. Thank you.